Alright, today is the big day. Gonna replace the old leaky radiator with this one. It's an engineered cooling products. It's supposed to be a direct replacement for this. And it looks pretty straightforward. You got the two hard lines for the transmission, and your lower radiator hose and your upper radiator hose, and looks like two bolts up here, probably a couple on the bottom, or maybe not, but should be pretty easy. We'll spray some WD-40 on everything and get it all lubed up. Now we gotta drain it. I probably could reuse this, whatever coolant's left after half of it leaked out, but I'm not going to. Put some fresh shit in it. Not that there was a whole lot in there. Open it up a little bit. Oh yeah, now we got some flow. Oh, this thing is locked on there. She's old, cooked on there. Oh yeah, there it is. Beautiful. And that one is going upside down, so that's going to be a little trickier. Alright, went and got the old stubby. And see if I can see it. Oh yeah, right there. Oh yeah. Loosen that baby up. Releasing the juice. Oh, it's loose. It should pop off. Hell yeah. Just give her a jiggle. Oh, the volume's loose. Just keep on jiggling. Oh, I have to get two hands in there. Maybe. Oh, can't get two hands. Oh, there she is. Whew. Caught it. Alright. Well, now get those transmission hoses lines broke free. what we're gonna need for that, a 1/2 inch and a 5/8. Let's see where it is. 1/2 inch on that side. 5/8 on that side. And I'm going to there. Oh yes, not that free. Pretty loose and lubed up. Close enough. Get the picture. Lefty loosey. There it is. Perfect. We'll take these out when we get the whole thing out. It'll be a little easier, even though they felt pretty loose. Next, gotta pull all these. There's one on each side. And that is a 7/16. Yeah. The old Impacto. She wants out bad. Alright. I'm gonna hang on to this. And then it should. Oh no. Oh no. I forgot to take my ghetto ass reservoir. Fuck. No problemo. So there, that there is a 1/4. Strip that off of there. Back to anchor out. There it is. And it was leaking somewhere about in here. It was a pretty heavy flow, so I didn't even want to run the risk of using some type of fix-it. So spring for the new radiator, and hopefully it fits, and hopefully it's not a piece of shit. Yes, sir. All right, now gotta take our little transmission bungs off. That one's a 1/2 inch. Well, close enough anyway. Slider. Something about 2 soft metals on each other makes shit pretty easy. Should work. Alright, got these all cleaned up. Put some fancy purple permatex on them. I guess that feels like the right thread. Let's find it out. Torque specs, so we're just going with whatever feels safe. And they weren't threaded in all the way on the old one either, so I'm terribly worried. Make sure that bitch is closed. Alright, throw her in and see if any of these holes line up or if I'm gonna have to be making my own. Alright, so I kinda got it in here. Ran into some fitment issues. I had to pretty much crank this thing over a little bit to get it to fit because it's got this big dumbass flange on both sides for like a shroud or whatever, and I'm not actually doing that right now, so I don't really need it, but I'm not gonna chop the whole thing off, but I am gonna whack these corners out so I can easily tighten that one. And over here we are too short, so I got my hole marked, I got these marked, and I'm gonna whack these off, and we're just gonna run a self tapper into that, a good one, and yeah, she'll be in there. What eats aluminum for breakfast? This thing, hopefully. That was not the cleanest cut, but she'll work, which is fine. Perfecto. Alright, we're gonna clean these edges up with a flat file and some emery tape. Beautiful. Factory shit. I'll repeat on the other side to throw it back in. Alright, got my hole pre-drilled. It's a 1/8. And I'm putting in this bad boy. Should hold it good. Alright, got her all screwed in. Looking good. Got my reveal pretty close. Yeah, I'll get the hoses hooked up, transmission lines hooked up, and put some juice in it. She'll be ready to roar.